Hi guys! Today we are learning how to back up Perplexity AI conversations to Google Drive. First, unlock your phone and open the Perplexity AI app. Make sure you're signed into the account that contains the conversation you want to save. Once the app opens, you're ready to locate your chat.now. Tap the menu icon in the top left corner to view your chat history. From the list, select the conversation that you want to save to Google Drive. This will open the full conversation. Once the conversation is open, tap the three-dot menu in the top right corner. From the available options, choose Share to open the sharing settings for that conversation. Here, choose the sharing option that works best for you. You can keep the conversation private or select anyone with the link if you want the shared link to be accessible. After choosing your preferred option, continue to the sharing menu. Next, swipe through the available apps until you see More, then tap it to view all installed apps. Scroll through the list and select Google Drive to prepare the conversation for saving. Finally, choose the folder where you want to save the file if needed, then tap Upload in the top right corner. Your shared Perplexity AI conversation will be uploaded to your Google Drive, making it easy to access later. And that's how you can save your Perplexity AI conversation to Google Drive for future access. If this video helped you, make sure to subscribe and comment below for more simple tutorials.